Hello everyone, welcome to Beginner's Ladder. Today we are going to learn how to use template to design logo. So if you are ready, let's kickstart. The first thing you will need to do is to open Play Store and search for Canva app. Just type Canva. So after that, when you search for Canva, it will appear like this. You install it. I've already installed mine, so I'll just click on the open. You can use this Canva to do a lot of things, but at the start we are going to start with the logo design. So let's wait for it to load. So depending on the speed of your internet, yours may be faster or much slower than this one. So once it's loaded like this, you click on the logo. You wait for it to load. I have a very bad internet. So once it's loaded like this, you can see templates. So depending on the type of logo you want to design, you choose a particular template to suit your need. For me, I would like to design a logo for like a school or something. Let me say my Beginner's Ladder. So I will need a particular logo style. So mine, I will have to choose like say education. So when I want to select a particular logo style, you choose the theme to match that style you want to use. So under the themes, you look for education. So yours may be different. Maybe you may be doing logo for maybe a clothing thing, or maybe art design, drink bar or something like that. Yours may be different from mine, but I'm using mine to do a demo so that you can do yours. So I'll choose education and apply. So once you select your like, you wait for it to load. It's loading. Let's wait. So once it's loaded, you see that templates of education logo will be displayed for you. So you check through for a particular logo that will meet your requirement. So when you observe very well, you will see that some of them there is paid attached to them. It means that those logos are not free. If you want to use them, you have to pay for them. But once you see some that there is no paid attached to them, then those ones you can use them without paying even a peso. So I would like something that I can use for my Beginner's Ladder. Something like maybe something that I can see people inside or something like that. So I will go to the down part. Yeah. There is mouse here in the book. I can choose that one, but there is paid by it. I don't have money. Let's keep moving. I still have to move. I still have to move this online thing. Oh, let me move. Maybe there is still something better. I can use this one too, but let me still move. So it's always good you look through. Maybe they may be better ones. Let me stop here and use this one. This computer, there is a heart signifying the importance of what I'm doing. So it means that when you learn at the end, you will graduate. It will be a perfect match. So you wait for it to load. Once you just tap on that particular template you want to adopt. So now it's ready for me to edit. So all I will need to do is to just edit the words there. So I'll just tap on the first one, come down and tap on edit. So once it's like this, it means that it's ready for me to type whatever I want to replace with this one. So I'll just make this one full, all caps, and type my beginner's letter. So if I'm okay with it, I'll come down, tap on the academy, and tap on edit, and I will type whatever I want to replace there. So I may want to reduce the size of the text. All I will need to do is to just tap on that. You see font size. Font, I may decide to change the font to different fonts. Something like this. It's not nice. It's not nice. Let me use this one. Some of the fonts, they are paid ones. If you see something and there is this queen, this thing on that, it means that you have to pay for that. Maybe, let me see, this one is better. Okay, let me use this one and see. You can also decide to download some of the fonts and apply. So once it's done, the size too, I may want to reduce it, font size. So the bar, you just move it backwards more. If I want to increase, I'll go this way. I want to reduce. I think this is too small. I think this is okay. So once you are done, if you want to change the color to the color of the text, you can change it from here. Maybe I want this or that or this. If you want more colors, you go down, you see them. So you see, good, depending on your like. I think the black will be okay. The image too, I may want to resize it or reposition it. Something like this. Yeah, I think it's okay. So once you are done, you look at the top, there is download. You tap on that and just preparing your design. That's all. So I'll encourage that you like Beginners Leather YouTube channel for more tutorials. Please do subscribe to my channel, and I promise to give you nothing but the best. Thank you.